Hello students, welcome to Prayashu YouTube channel. This is scholarship exam standard 5th online class, subject mathematics, and the topic is circle. And in this video we are going to see practice test MT028's answers. So question number 1 is there. How many diameters can be drawn in a circle with center 0? With center 0, okay. Always be diameter is passing through the center O, okay. So we know any circle, if we draw, there are the n number of points. N number means there is a infinite, or we can say uncountable. And about the diameter, so if every point one side and another side, that line joining this one, and which can be passed through the center O, okay. So there are the some infinite numbers, we can say the many numbers, okay. So means many diameter we can draw. So many means we can say option number 1 is the correct one. Then question number 2. In a adjoining figure, point S and point T. So point S is this one and point T is on this one. R. Option number 1 is there. In interior of the circle, no, interior are the P and M are there. So option number 1 is incorrect. Then option number 2. In the exterior of the circle, no, exterior are the R. So this is the incorrect one. Then option number 3. On the diameter of the circle, no, there is not on the diameter. So this is incorrect. On the circle, yes, correctly. On the circle is there. So option number 4 is the correct one. Then question number 3, to draw a circle, which instrument do you use? Write correct options. So to draw the circle, does we use the scale? No. Protector? No. Then compass? Yes, compass. And divider? No, divider not. So option number 3 is the correct one. Then question number 4, how many circles can be drawn with one center? So with the one center we can draw many circles, okay, because one center is this one. So this is the diameter, different diameters, okay, different radius, okay. So there are the, we can say, infinite means many, okay. So option 2 is the correct one. Then for the question 5, how many chords can be drawn in a circle? So there are the infinite points which can be drawn. Suppose this is a circle. So like this one, any points, or we can say the many points we can join, or we can draw the chords. Okay, not only this one like this one, but it cannot be passed to the center. Even if that is a chord is passing to the center, that we can say the chord diameter, and diameter also a chord. Okay, if there are the many diameter we can draw, means chord also the many, okay. So means option number 4 is the correct one. Now question number 6, the distance taken in compass for drawing a circle is a radius, because one point, or we can say the needle point of the compass. So suppose this is a compass, and here the, suppose the pencil is there, okay. So pencil having the one point, and this compass, suppose like this one. So this needle point also the one point. So this is a, will be the center, and this will be the outer of the circle, okay. So this is a circle outer. So this distance always be as a radius, we can say, okay. So means option number 4, radius of a circle, is the correct one. Then question number 7, if the diameter of a circle is 12.4 centimeter diameter, okay, what is the radius? As we know, radius, okay, r is equals to diameters half, or we can say d by 2. So now 12 by 12.4 by 2, so 2 6 are 12, and this decimal point as it is, and 2 2s are 4, so this will be the 6.2, and then unit is a centimeter. So 6.2 centimeter means option number 3 is the correct one. Now question number 8, the perimeter of a circle means, perimeter of the circle means, that is a circumference, we can say. Perimeter of the circle means this traveling, or from the one point, this distance as a circular distance, or we can say the circumference, okay. This is the length, okay. So if we open this on in a straight line, that complete length will also equal to the perimeter, okay. So perimeter for the shapes and the circles, we can say that is a circumference, okay. So that is a circumference, means option number 4 is the correct one. Now question number 9, how many diameter are there in a given figure? So in this figure, the diameter means this line passing through this one, P and Q, these are the opposite because this is a straight one. Okay, now ROS is not a diameter because this is a different lines. Okay, they are making the different angle, and diameter is always be 180 degree, means that is a straight line. Okay, so PQ is a straight line and LM also the straight line, and which are passing through the center of the circle. So these are the two lines. Two lines means option number 3 is the correct one. Then question number 10. On the circumference of the circle, friends Pooja, Neha and Suvarna are standing. Pooja means P is there denotion, Neha means N denotion, Suvarna means S denotions. Now, how many times they will handshake each others? Okay, now handshakes means this Neha, N handshakes to the P and N handshakes to the S, so these are the two times. Okay, and the S is handshakes to the this one and this one, so we can say they are the making the handshakes to each others, means the 3 points are there. Okay, so lining from this one, so these are the one shaking, this can be another shaking, and this can be another shaking, so this is a 1 2 and 3. Okay, or we can say if there are the two different points. Okay, so line joining between these three lines also, we can say this is a one line. Okay, this is a two line from this point to this point, and this is three lines from this point to this point. Okay, so this is the method. Different point of view this example is asking, but the same sometimes is asking about the how many lines we can draw. Okay, so the answer is a 3, means option number 2 is a correct one. Thank you.